Next, I'd like to welcome up Magali Carbone. How many of you are in subscription commerce websites, e-commerce? Anybody? A few folks. Well, she did her thesis recently on this topic and has a lot of great research to share. Magali.
Hello, everybody. So, subscription-based commerce is a really trendy topic, at least, and kind of new, at least here in France. But if there were a lot of articles about it, nobody makes a real study yet. So we decided to study this business model according to three main concepts.
Just 1 second, the slides will show up, I'm sure. Not a problem.
Okay. So subscription, to understand how... okay. So first of all, it's important to have in mind that subscription is not a revolutionary business model. It's a traditional one, and that Internet brings something new to it and make it the new things of Internet, of e-commerce in 2011. So it was quite a challenge for subscription to rise online. And in 2009, the first product subscriptions arrived on the US market. Concerning the French market, the first subcom arrives in June 2011 with 1.5 new websites per month and an obligation-free model. Another important part of this business model is Tryvertising, as the trial gets a real effect on buying act. But we thought that maybe it wasn't the same when you know that you will receive a new box of products in 1 month. So if Tryvertising is about making a physical experience, it's also a social one. Because nowadays, consumers are more like twin summer, and they want to have opinion from people like them. So curated-based e-commerce involves curation-based commerce involves the selection made by an expert in a certain domain, choosing the best product for you. And in Subcom, there is a mix of curation with product curation, content curation, and social curation. The content curation is made by the websites on their blog and with video sharing, and the social curation is due to the high level of interaction between subscribers. Curation also responds to the information overload that we all faced when we try to buy something on the internet. So now we talked about all the concepts, it's time to see the research and the results of the study. So in the first part, we try to know why people subscribe to those kind of websites. We have like 5 factors, and we try to know which one is the most important for people to subscribe. In the second part, we try to know what people do once they receive their box. I mean, if the trial, the community, or the surprise effect has an impact on the product purchase, the box loyalty, or the word of mouth. So to do this, we make an online survey with 6 different paths in order to make a difference between subscribers, non-subscribers, people who never subscribe, and those who already unsubscribe from one website. So in 4 days, we get almost 400 responses, with mostly women response, because the subcom target is mostly female. And with the help of statistics, we show that subscription motivation was the surprise effect. It's, in fact, surprise effect is a discriminatory factor between subscribers and non-subscribers. The product purchase is, in the subcom model, also aims by trial and not by the opinion of community. But for the loyalty in the box, it's the community that is discriminatory. People show loyalty for the box because of they're part of the community. And to finish, we saw that neither the level of surprise or the amount of trial have an impact of the word of mouth. That means that it's not because you're more surprised that you will talk more about it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Magali.